Put that down.
Everything
Put it down right now. For me, I'm not playing with you.
Hello?
What do I tell you? Hello?
Hello?
Hey, how you doing?
I know she not talking to other people. Oh, hell no. No. I did not call this bitch for her to talk to everybody in the background. That's rude as fuck. She got me fucked up. Okay. It is so rude when people call you to talk to other people in the background. Like, what did you call me for? Having long-ass conversations with them, and then when you're answering that, they're like, no, Rosetta, I'm not talking to you. Well, I'm offended because you called my cell phone to speak to me. If you didn't want to talk to me, you want to speak to that person in the background, you should have never called me and been wasting my time. Also, parents, yes, this is for you. Please stop yelling at your children while you're on the phone talking to people. Like, hold on. Y'all, let me show you how y'all be. Y'all be like this. Hold on. Hello? Yeah, hold on. Ah! Didn't I tell you to stop? Didn't I say stop? Girl, no. Hold on. Stop it! Put it down! That's rude. Don't do that. Tell me that you'll call me back. Please call me back because I don't want you yelling in my ear. I feel like I'm your child who's in trouble. There have been plenty of times where I have hung up on people because they start talking to other people in the background. And they'll call me back like, hey, Rosetta, what happened? I'm like, oh, my phone was acting up and I had to restart it. No, I'm lying. I hung up on you because it's rude. Like, don't call me and waste my time to speak to other people in the background. It's rude. Be polite. Be considerate. What is so hard with that? But people have to work on that. Be more considerate. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see and if you like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and shout out to my sister Katie. She was the person who was on the phone in the beginning. Thank you for watching.